Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Sun By Me Beta Panthenol Repair Cream. This product retails for $27. First of all, I just want to say Sun By Me did reach out to me and send me this product, but they did not ask me to do a long form video on it. I personally chose to do this myself because first of all, I've seen so many people talking about it on social media. And second, I'm very excited because I think this is a fragrance-free moisturizer. And so I'm so excited to try out this product. Also, panthenol is one of my favorite ingredients in a moisturizer especially. It has done great things for my acne and also helped my skin so much, so I'm so excited to see how this product performs. This product is vegan, alcohol-free, fragrance-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The big things I'll be looking for with this product mainly include what does it do for my skin, what finish does it leave on the skin, and does it cause any acne. I'm not sure if it will or not. I do know it has shea butter in it. It's never been an ingredient that's been an issue for me, but if it is for you, then definitely be mindful of this product. As for anything else, I will be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also a first impression with this moisturizer. Now I have smelt it, and compared to a lot of their other products, I can definitely tell that this is the fragrance-free option. They may have some fruit extracts in it. I mean, it really just smells like skincare, which is great in my opinion, because some of their products, especially their Miracle Cream, was a little bit potent with the fragrance. So right there, it's already feeling like a very lightweight moisturizer, but it does give a nice radiant finish to the skin. I looked over the ingredient list, and so far I haven't seen anything that seems to set off my acne, and I'm hoping it won't, but it has a nice lightweight feel. I am in love with this texture. And going on the skin, it is providing an instant soothing effect to it. Look at that glow, wow. I am experiencing just a little bit of acne right here. This is feeling like the perfect balanced moisturizer. It does give a nice glow, but it's nothing suffocating, it's nothing overpowering. So far off of first impression, I feel like this is a very lightweight, balanced moisturizer, and I'm really excited to see what results I notice with it because the ingredients really are amazing. I'm gonna continue using it and then I'll check in again. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this moisturizer. Sun By Me has done an amazing job formulating this because I feel like it was a very well-balanced moisturizer. It was perfect for my combination skin, and I am a little bit more oily right now because it is the springtime, and I found that it wasn't too thick for my oily areas, but also provided a deep, rich, nourishing level of hydration to my dry areas. I also enjoyed that this was a fragrance-free option from Sun By Me, and I feel like it had ingredients in it that helped to combat my acne slightly. I will be continuing to use this product to see what other results and benefits I notice from it, but ultimately I feel like this was a very impressive moisturizer and honestly has become one of my favorite products from Sun By Me. It has an amazing balancing complex. I feel like if you are oily to combination, you are really going to enjoy it. Not sure that really dry skin would enjoy this product because it does have kind of a water cream like texture, but if that's something you look for in a moisturizer, I feel like it is a great option. Also, if you are wanting to use this and you are more dry, you could use this as a layering treatment step because it does have some great ingredients to combat acne in it. Ultimately, I would recommend this moisturizer. It is not a terrible price point, and I didn't see anything negative with it, so I would 100% recommend trying out this product. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.